Look what I have. Do we want to look at this Grinch collection from ColourPop? Let's go through everything one by one. Packaging, of course, 10 out of 10. And then this was laying on top so I could see everything that came in the collection. And with any ColourPop collection, the attention to detail is unreal. They put so much thought into these collections, and who doesn't love the Grinch? Starting off strong with How the Grinch Stole Christmas eyeshadow palette, and there is glitter on here. We love all of the details, and this is what it looks like. Look at the colors. And of course, all of the colors have names that are related to the movie. Have Mr. Grinch, Stink Stank Stunk, Cindy Lou Who. These are gorgeous, and we're gonna swatch this just for fun. Look at that. Look at the shine. Then we have a Swirl lip gloss kit. Just take a moment for the packaging. I don't want to show you guys just the product because the packaging is so pretty and presentable. So here's the first one. It has the little reindeer on there. The swirls are so pretty. Next up, this one's actually my favorite. Look at the hot pink, the light pink, the shimmer, and then last but not least, this one reminds me of a candy cane. How pretty is that? Next up, we have the Who Hash, which is the Glitterally Obsessed Body Glitter Gel. If you've never used this before, never seen it, it is a gel that is glitter packed. You can put this on your face. You can put it in your hair. I'm not sure that it's advertised for that, but we've used it in my daughter's hair before and it's worked out fine. But think about like Christmas events, Christmas parades, things like that. That would be so pretty. Next up, the Shadow Stix set. Shadow Stix from ColourPop are always 10 out of 10, and I'm gonna tell you right now, these will sell out because everybody goes crazy over the Shadow Stix. Here is the first color. It is such a pretty purple. I've actually already swatched it, but I'll do a fresh swatch right there. Look at that beautiful lavender. Next up, we have a more neutral shade. This one is gorgeous. It's just a pop of highlight, pretty much. It's like a really light tan. Next up, we have some lip liner and the Plumping Gloss Balm. And look at the sparkles on the presents. How pretty is that? So this color is called Big Bow. I have not swatched this yet, so let me find a cleared out spot on my hand. Very pretty. Now let's do the Plumping Gloss. Do you see the sparkle in that? I love it. And all you do is just click it. That would be so pretty together. Then we have another set with a liner and gloss. This one looks to be a little bit darker. This one is called Santa Claus. We'll do it right here. Yeah, so it's just a darker version of that. And let's try the gloss. Look at the packaging on this gloss, and this one actually does not have shimmer, so it's not going to be matte because it is like a glossy finish, but it's not going to have the glitter in it. That's pretty too. Last but not least, this is the Super Shock highlighter kit. If you've ever used ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows, they stay in place all day. When you touch it with your fingers to apply it, it feels like a cream, but then whenever you apply it, it's like a powder, so it's very unique. But look at that gorgeous pink. This one is called Grew 3 Sizes. And just one swatch got us that much shine. This one is called 2 Sizes Too Small. And it's not going to have all of the pink in it like the other one had. That was a really bad swatch, and I'm sorry, but you get the idea. Here's the full collection. I will link the full collection for you, but I'll also link all the individual products that are available in the TikTok shop. And thank you to ColourPop for sending this to me. I'm so excited to have this, and you guys are gonna love it too.